I'm having issues with the rear motor. I've had it only for about 2.5 weeks. Here it goes. I'm gonna try to do this. And I'm hitting the throttle and don't have nothing. But as soon as I push the scooter a little forward, it does that, which is and then it stops again. Does that. And then it stops again. So it's acting erratic and jerking and making that sound with the throttle pull. And that's the issue I'm having. Kind of pissed because I'm not able to ride it now. And then it might, yeah, it's just, yeah, it wasn't like that before. So that's where I'm at with this. Otherwise, it was very fun when it was working.